Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Delovet. Today I will taking you through another section of the Fulbright Teaching Excellence and Achievement Program application process. So today I'll be talking about the statement of purpose section. I'll be looking at question 3 on that section. So the question 3 says that how will your community benefit benefit from your participation in the program? Just got at least two ways you will share what you learn with your school or your community. So I said the first thing you have to have in mind when writing this is first it's the goals of this program. The goal is that you have to promote mutual understanding. You have to train to become a teacher leader to contribute in improving education and also to help you to improve, to enhance your expertise as a teacher on different teaching methodologies. Now, how when you go there and learn those things, how will your community benefit? So in writing an essay here, we have to use the format STAR: situation, task, action, and result. So you have to use that, and everything you write here, if you the actions that you take, make sure you quantify them. If you have a seminar, there are 20 teachers, 3 days, 4 days, make sure you quantify them. And then if the results you're going to have, make sure you quantify this result also. So let's look at an example of what I wrote when I was applying for my own program. So you have this, for example, I said gaining from the rich academic, social, and agricultural experience in the U.S. I'll incorporate and adapt US administrative patterns of education with my own Cameroon's realities. So it means that I will not take, so I'm just trying to tell them that I will bring this program back home. And I will take everything that I'm bringing back home, but I will not give them the same way I learned there. But I will try to adapt it to my own realities because not everything that I will learn there will be comfortable or be conducive for me to, or my environment will be conducive enough for me to implement that idea or that methodology. So I'll be able to perform creative work in reforming Cameroon existing educational system. And first year, so my first year, when I will implement the lessons learned from the T program and share my knowledge with my colleagues through a workshop in my school. So that's what I would do. That's the first thing I said I would do. Also, I will assist to be ready to partake in executing T programs or mission values in Cameroon. So that's the second thing I would do. So when I come back, I like the program, so I'll try to promote the values, the objectives back in Cameroon. Then thirdly, what will I do? Secondly, what will I do? I will start a school backup initiative in collaboration with other teachers to provide quality education to students by enforcing the areas of students that the school is neglecting. So through my experience as a teacher, I've learned that for students who have quality education, the following aspects must be considered: parents, peers, teachers, and future of work. So I'm coming out with programs that will tackle these various aspects. So what will I do? So I said I will organize a biennial capacity building workshops in different towns will be organized for 50 teachers and 50 parents to raise their awareness and provide them with techniques to bring the best out of their students or children. Above all, quarterly workshops will be organized for 25 students on different skills like self-esteem, self-confidence, communication, and conflict management, study habits, and lots more. So after doing all these initiatives, what are you going to do? So these programs will enable you to understand the scope of science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, encourage middle school age girls to pursue engineering degrees, and empower you to find new opportunities to create and deliver value in their communities. Furthermore, the team at the School Backup Institute will be constantly researching new teaching methodologies that will better or suit the system of Cameroon schools. So that's how this program will benefit. So you saw how I said I will start first by bringing back this program and I'll adapt it to my realities. Then second, what will I do? I will learn, I will become an example, I will learn, I will practice these things I've learned in my own classrooms. Then after that, I will teach my colleagues about this. They will form a group, an initiative that will helping young students to become, you know, to become best out of themselves. And when we do that, these students will become best for themselves. They will know, they'll become leaders, they'll be enlightened, they'll know the careers they want to take. So that is the result of what we are going to do. So you also have to paint a picture like that. And one thing I want to say that you don't need to, you have to be very specific when you're speaking. Don't be vague. And you cannot write, copy my own essay and you're pasting, because if you do my own essay and you write, or you paste, you will be disqualified immediately automatically because the same essay is already in their system. So you also need to be very careful and be specific and to the point. I know that there are many people applying for this scholarship, and you have to be specific and make sure your goals and what you want to realize back home is very realistic. Is very realistic. Don't say things that you cannot do. Don't say things that um, are not workable in your setting. Say things that you can do and what you think you will do. Okay, so that's that. So thank you for watching and have a best. And I wish you the best in your application. Thank you.